We just got set up. We're back down on the farm for another turkey hunt this morning. It's about 5:30 right now. I'm going to be on the camera today. Brady's going to be behind the gun, trying to get on his second bird of the season, trying to tag out today for him. We know there's been a big bird hanging around down on the southern end of the farm. Did you hear one? That way. Alright, well, Brady just heard a bird fire up. It sounded like he was behind us. So, I didn't hear him. I don't know, my hearing's not that great, but it's starting to get light out. He just heard him again, so that might be the bird that's been hanging around down in this area. But, we're set up in a good spot. Right on a field edge. We were hoping the bird would come from out in front of us, but he just heard one behind us, so we'll see how that plays out. Alright guys, we're deciding to make a move. The bird is on the other side of the road, so we're going to go set up in a field over there. We're going to sneak around through some hedgerows without him seeing us. Set up, and hopefully when he comes out of roost, he'll come down to us. Stay tuned. That's fine. A little bit. Yeah, you can shoot through that grass.
How cool would it be if it just ran across the field?
I know, man. We're gonna have to be so still when he comes out. Alright guys, we just had the turkey pop out in the field way down from us. Let's see if I can zoom in and get on him. Brady, there's the other one.
Yep.
I'm gonna see if I can see. He hasn't put his head up yet. There's the turkey.
Yes.
There he is. Let me see if I can see if that's a gobbler.
Did you hear the gobble?
There he is.
There's two.
Oh, there he is. He's strutting.
No, there's three.
I see him, dude. Dude, I think it's definitely two. The one is a long-beard, one's a Jake, and it might be three hens. There's another one, dude. There's another one. Holy crap.
There's a ton of turkeys.
Oh my gosh, guys. There is a ton of turkeys. The one is full strut right now. Dude, he's got a long beard. There's another one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. gosh, dude, that's crazy. Dude, I only see the one. I think there's a couple jakes in there.
Dude, if I had a scoot and shoot, it'd be ridiculous.
Oh yeah, you go up on him. We need that scoot and shoot. Dude, he is a nice bird. Full strut. He's dancing.
Birds are working their way this way.
Yeah. Alright guys, time for a little update. These birds are, they're not coming to us, they're kind of hanging away. One of the other guys that hunts the farm with us called us just to check in and let us know that he had a strutting decoy in a farm, or in a barn, right up behind us, so we popped back, got it. Brady's gonna try and do a little stalk on them now. They're over a little kind of rise in the field. Brady's gonna take a low spot, cut up, kind of to where the road is. They're probably 100 yards on the other side of the road, so he's gonna try and use that strutting decoy to get close to them and maybe take a shot. I'm not sure if I'm in a position where I can get this on camera, but I'm gonna try and make a move to try the best I can. This is either gonna work perfectly or it's gonna scare the birds off and not work at all, so he's making his way now. I'm gonna see if I can make a move too without scaring these birds. I'm pretty far away, so we should be good. But this is gonna be absolutely crazy if he pulls this off. Alright guys, this is probably the best position that I can get in without getting too close and possibly scaring these birds. So, this bird, from our knowledge, is, let's see, he should be somewhere on the back side of this. There's a little hut with it's all grown up in there. He should be in that general direction right here. Brady's gonna try and take the scoot and shoot across the field and get close enough to take a shot at him. There's a bunch of hens with him, so we'll see if that phases them at all, but hopefully this strutting decoy fires his gobbler up enough to, get him to come close. Here, I'll show you guys. I think there's Brady. So he's got to slowly make his way. Up to the road, and then cross. Try and get a shot on these birds. Yeah, he's getting ready to cross the road. He's about to go for it.
That gobbler's getting closer to Brady. He's definitely getting closer to him. Definitely getting closer to him. He's working his way towards Brady. Those birds are working away from him now. Yeah, I see the gobbler. He's full strut. He's working. He's kind of following the other birds. Oh yeah, those birds are definitely working back away from Brady. They're almost back up to the corner of the field now. Alright guys, this is getting really interesting. I don't have that much battery life left on my camera, so let's see, where's the bird at? Alright, so that bird, you can kind of see him through the grass. He's strutting in there. He's just been kind of chilling. There he is, chilling. I think he sees Brady. Brady's been slowly making his way closer to him. He probably has about another 100 yards at least to go. But there's Brady, working his way up, and that bird is just standing there, just kind of squaring off with them. So we'll see what happens. This is going to be good, hopefully. Looks like he's about to shoot, guys. I don't see the bird. He's got to be just inside the woods. Wait, I think I see him. Shoot him. Shoot him again. He shot. Did he get him? He did it! He freaking did it! Oh my gosh. What a hunt. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. He freaking did it. Oh my gosh. Talk about a freaking stalk. He stalked that bird for an hour and a half. That is a hammer of a bird. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, I gotta go check this out. This is insane. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Oh my God, dude.
Are you kidding me?
Holy crap, you stalked that bird for an hour and a half.
What I call 300 yards?
Oh my God. You got him. Dude, it's a stud. Give me some, baby. Oh my God.
I was shedding stuff, man. My hat was getting in the way.
Holy crap. Dude, I got it on camera.
Dude,
I got the shot.
I shot him at like, what do you think that is, 40? 50?
I was gonna say, you had to be getting close, man.
He died. I had him at like 55.
Oh my God.
But all I had was the top of his head, because that little rise, and he ducked back in the woods, and the hen was here.
I saw the hen. They came out in the field.
Yeah, but that was when I was a little further back.
Yeah, you were further back.
And dude, he came out right here, and I was like, I gotta try him.
Did you have to shoot him again?
Yeah, he wasn't going nowhere.
Yeah.
But
dude, nice bird. Have you? Let me see.
I'm just trying to.
Yeah, let him die.
Dude.
Are
you kidding me?
Oh, this freaking stalk, baby. How are you feeling right now?
I don't even know what to say, man. I started crawling over there.
Oh, I got it all on. I got it all on video.
I thought I was gonna kill him at that.
I saw him. He came back. What was he? 80 yards?
Yeah, about 80.
Dude, that is insane. Oh my gosh, dude. That's a stud.
All right, let me. Oh my God. Dude, I'm sweating like.
You will never, all right, I won't say never, but that is probably one of the hardest turkeys, like, that's the hardest you'll work for a turkey, probably. Dude, that's a stud of a bird. Oh my gosh, man.
Look at that thing.
You worked your ass off for that
I'm
bird.
sweating like crazy.
You crawled over 300 yards, like slowly, over the course of an hour and a half.
Is that how long it was?
Dude, it was a while.
What time is it?
I'll go back to when I first called Ron and check it out, but dude, check that thing out, guys.
All right,
Oh
guys.
my God. Dude, look at that beard. Stud of a bird, man.
A little recap.
This is crazy.
One spur.
Look, one spur, nice spur.
Looks like he broke that one
Yeah.
off or something. Or just
He
didn't.
definitely broke it off. It looks like it was there, but it got broken off. Dude, just show the bird off
I
real
just don't
quick.
even know, man. That's the craziest. That's probably
The craziest hunt I've ever witnessed.
craziest hunting experience I've ever had. No, without a doubt. I mean,
Oh my gosh.
are you kidding me? What's that? It's got to be 10.
At least 10.
Full fan, dude. He
I thought when I lost him, I thought he popped back in the woods.
was right in this corner.
That's what I thought. But I was afraid he would jump the fence.
I don't even know if you can.
Dude.
I'll have to get him up in a better spot, but
No, dude, that's money.
dude, talk about
Well, talk about working for a bird.
Working, man. He was right here.
There's Brady's decoy. That's where he shot him from.
That's what? That's at least 40. At least.
At least 40.
That might be 50 yards.
Walk it off.
'Cause
He was right there.
he was like right here.
Just take big strides and see, get a rough
Yeah, 'cause-
estimate.
51.
Yep. Dude, that's probably 50 yards.